I'm Latoya, and today we will focus on the importance of purpose and communication, the methods used to communicate in a business setting, and why it's imperative to understand and envision your audience as you prepare your message. Determine your purpose and your channel. Anytime you write or speak, it's important that you fully understand your purpose. Purpose helps you understand the reason and the intent of your message. Basically, why are you delivering the message to begin with? Choose the appropriate forum to deliver your message. Not all channels are created equal, so it's very important that you choose the best method to deliver your message anytime you're communicating. Also, you want to gather information on your audience and tailor your message accordingly. Take the time to understand who you're going to be communicating this message to, and take the time to investigate different characteristics that set this audience apart from any other. Different channels are used for spoken and written organizational communication. These are just a few that I'm going to go through as we proceed with this presentation. Now, emails, they're used to send a brief and personal message that can be communicated about a vast number of people. Presentations are used to communicate a message that's persuasive in nature, kind of like this one here, where I'm going over the steps that you need to take to make sure that you're taking the proper steps to make sure that you're communicating your message using the best form. Face-to-face communication is used to communicate things that may be sensitive in nature, that may elicit a negative response from your audience. It also gives you the opportunity to kind of check their temperature and pick up on nonverbal body cues. Video conferencing is another huge way that organizations communicate with different branches if they operate outside of one country, whether your main business is housed in the United States and you have different locations overseas. This allows the CEO to easily tap into technology and communicate a message that can be spread across the organization. Team meetings are great, and this is one thing that we use heavily at one of the organizations that I work at currently. It makes communication personal and relevant, and it also gives everyone the opportunity to ask questions and get feedback in real time. Perception is key, and as you envision your audience, you want to put yourself in their shoes and think about what their reaction is going to be to your message. In order to do this, you want to look at some of the characteristics of your audience, whether that be age, economic level, education, needs and concerns, cultural differences, because from one country to the other, what's socially acceptable in one country may not be socially acceptable in another, as well as if you have a rapport with the audience, they may have a set expectation of what they expect from you because they know you, they've communicated with you before, whereas if your audience doesn't have a rapport with you, you do need to take the time to build that. And this concludes of my presentation for sections 2 and 3 of chapter 3. And I hope that you guys continue this journey with us as we proceed through this presentation, but I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.